Hello everyone! Lovely to see so many of you joining us today. Looks like we've got members from all over the globe who have signed in, which only goes to confirm Atomy's international status. I'm sure you are all just as excited as I am that we're nearing the launch of Atomy UK. My team and I have been very busy preparing for our grand opening and we can't wait to meet you all. I'd like to take this opportunity to update our most valuable and cherished members, you. So, what have we been busy with? I know so many of you have been eager to hear about the updates with logistics. Many members have contacted me to tell me about the various difficulties they've been experiencing with delays caused by COVID-19. I've been astonished by the passion of our members who are so excited to get hold of our products that they're ordering from different branches across the globe. Well, I am pleased to say that we've signed a contract with our European logistics partner and are now setting up our UK warehouse, ready to receive products and distribute directly to our members in UK and Europe. So thank you for your patience thus far. With expansion comes recruitment. Our Atomy UK office family has been growing and we're all so excited to meet you. Our initial team of 3 has now grown further and we plan to continue hiring more talented individuals to support you all as you progress with your Atomy journey. At present, our team consists of JP, who's heading up broadcasting for Atomy UK, Morgan, who's looking after our brand marketing, Avis, who's in charge of our member marketing and customer service. She will be your first point of call for any queries, and Yasmin, our intern. Don't forget, you can contact our team at any time with the following details. We look forward to serving you. Our Atomy UK home is nearly complete. For months, we've been working hard to create a European headquarters that will be the heart of our UK operations. Based in central Guildford, just 30 minutes from London Waterloo by train, our Atomy UK office is modern, warm and homely, providing the ideal place for us to work and welcome any members who wish to visit. It perfectly captures the most important of Atomy's mottos: cherish the spirit. From relaxation areas filled with Atomy snacks and drinks to soundproof spaces for focused work, our Atomy UK office provides everything that our team need to serve you better. We're currently not able to offer visits for members due to the COVID-19 restrictions. However, once these are lifted, we very much look forward to meeting you in person. We've been working hard collaborating with the UK and EU authorities to ensure our products are compliant within the marketplace. As such, I can confirm that we should have around 60 products registered by launch, with our main top sellers being ready for purchase once we go live. We are also working on our second and third batch of product registrations, so if your favourite product isn't available for launch, don't worry, we're working on it. I've enjoyed sharing our latest round of updates with you all. If you have any queries, don't hesitate to get in touch. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you all in February for the next round of updates.